How to delete old Facebook account without password, email, phone and username. So if you cannot access your old account, you can report it for the removal by claiming it as a fake account. So for that, you have to open up a Facebook and make sure that you're logged in with your new account. Now you have to search for your old profile. For that, tap on the search bar at the top right, and now here you can search for your old profile that you want to delete. And go to the profile. Once you're here, tap on the three dot under the profile picture, and here tap on report profile. And here go with something about this profile. You can go with pretending to be someone, and here tap on me, and then you can submit the report, and you have to wait for the Facebook to review your request or report. And once the Facebook reviews the profile, the Facebook will automatically remove that account. And that is one of the way to delete your old Facebook account when you don't have password, email, phone and username. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.